If your Ford Explorer just clicks, cranks, or stays silent, you're not alone. Let's break down the most common reasons it won't start. First up, check your battery. Dead batteries are the #1 reason cars won't start. Look for dim lights or no power at all. Try jump-starting your Explorer. If it starts, your battery or alternator may need replacing. Next, listen for a clicking sound when you turn the key. That could mean your starter is bad. If you hear nothing at all, it could also mean your ignition switch isn't working. Don't forget about your fuel system. If your Explorer cranks but doesn't start, you might be out of gas, or your fuel pump could be failing. Make sure you have fuel, then listen for a humming noise near the gas tank when you turn the key. No sound? The fuel pump might be the problem. Check your key too. If your key fob battery is dead, or the anti-theft system is triggered, your Explorer might not start. Still stuck? It's time to call a mechanic. But by checking these basics, you can save time and maybe fix it yourself. Don't let a no start ruin your day. Stay calm, use these tips, and you'll be back behind the wheel in no time.